The NRM Deputy Secretary General Namayanja led a team of district leaders and other stakeholders on a guided tour of her model farm. The establishment of this farm stems from President Dr. Museveni's one-acre model initiative, which emphasizes agricultural productivity on small plots of land.
CW, disease resistant, mixed with banana plantation. In the long run, I have managed to put an orchard of fruit trees, which is taking half an acre.
Ngaffe kennyini abakulembeze tugenda kukyusa ku nnima gye tubadde tulimamu. Ekyokubiri n'abaana bali mu kitundu kyaffe osanga babadde abamu tebakola na mirimu gya kwagazisa bulimi. Tugenda baagazisa obulimi nga bajja ne balambula wano ne bayigirako ebyokulima.
Era nsaba abantu b'omu kitundu kyonna mu kijjumbire kubanga omwavu gw'okolima, omwavu gw'okuba emimiro, omwavu gw'obba. Nsaba n'abantu b'omu kitundu bonna tukyeyinule tufunemu bye tujjamu.
The farm is expected to benefit over 1,671 households and youth, providing them with practical knowledge and resources. The farm features banana plantations, fruit trees, a coffee nursery, and will soon expand into commercial livestock farming and a skills center.
Because I know these people, I know some of them are progressive farmers, but what they lack is information on agronomics, it's information on best practices, it's information on quality pests and pesticides. Can have water from the roof and use that water for irrigation in using very cheap methods like what we have explained. And what I know about our people here, the progressive farmers have capacity to do this.
This initiative aligns with President Museveni's vision of modernizing agriculture and creating wealth for every household.